Hi, I'm Julie, the Director of Marketing at nuCamp. Redefine your adventure with the Tab 360 CS. This teardrop debuted midway through our 2025 model year and has been turning heads with its beautifully designed outdoor kitchen and thoughtfully crafted interior. Whether you're cooking under the open sky or relaxing inside after a day on the road, the 360 CS brings comfort and convenience together in one sleek package. Let's take a look at the 2026 Clamshell. For 2026, the model returns with minimal updates, continuing to deliver the comfort and functionality campers love. If you're new to the Tab 360 Clamshell, we'll walk you through its standout features and key components to help you decide if it's your next home on wheels. At the front of the 360, you'll find sturdy grab handles that make it easier to maneuver and position your camper by hand at the campsite. It also features a front storage tub, perfect for storing your gear. And if you're looking to expand your outdoor storage, stay tuned for available add-ons that can take your setup even further. Moving along the driver's side, the first access panel provides entry to the cassette toilet, which is simple to remove and designed for quick, hassle-free dumping. Just behind that is the Nautilus water management system, an intuitive all-in-one control center with an easy-to-follow sticker guide that simplifies water hookups and winterization. This area also houses the external shower and solar port, allowing you to easily connect additional portable solar panels for extended off-grid capability. New for 2026, we've redesigned our exterior baggage doors. These marine-grade doors are built to keep water out and withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting durability. Moving to the rear of the unit, let's take a look at this model's signature feature, the Clamshell Galley Kitchen. Designed for campers who love cooking with a view, this outdoor kitchen brings both function and style to your campsite. It comes equipped with a sink, 2-burner stove, a 12-volt cooler, and ample storage below the counter. This cooler slides out effortlessly on a drawer for easy access, then locks securely in place for travel. A spacious white countertop offers plenty of room to prep your favorite meals, while thoughtful touches like accent lighting, shelving, utility hooks, and a modern honeycomb backsplash creates a space that's as beautiful as it is practical. All of it is protected by a one-piece fiberglass hatch door with dual seals designed to keep moisture out and your gear safe, no matter where the road takes you. Another new feature of 2026 is the receiving hitch, which allows you to add accessories such as a bike rack. The weight limit on the hitch is 150 pounds. Just below the rear corner on the passenger side, you'll find a convenient LP hookup, ideal for connecting a grill or other propane accessories while camping. Over on the passenger side, you'll find 2 exterior outlets for added convenience, perfect for plugging in lights, tools, or appliances. Tinted windows provide added privacy, and with 190 watts of rooftop solar, the Clamshell is well equipped for your next off-grid adventure. The driver's side is equipped with a key rail, which makes it easy to add an awning, expanding your outdoor space and providing shade. Every nuCamp teardrop trailer comes equipped with a spare tire. New for 2026, that spare tire now matches the rugged Boondock tires, replacing the classic touring tire for a more cohesive and adventure-ready setup. Now let's step inside the Tab 360 CS. This model features an open concept layout with a dual twin bed configuration, designed to maximize both space and comfort. Since its debut, the 360 has captured the attention of industry experts, earning accolades such as 2025 RV of the Year from RV News, Best New Model from RV Pro, and Must See RV from RV Business. Just inside the entry door, you'll find a spacious 5 cubic foot refrigerator with a built-in freezer compartment, allowing you to bring more food with you on the road. Since the Tab 360 CS features an exterior clamshell kitchen, the front interior, typically home to the kitchenette in its sister model, is transformed into a bonus space with added countertop and storage. It's a versatile area ideal for prepping, organizing, or personalizing with a few decorative touches. Convenient hooks add extra functionality for hanging gear, bags, or whatever you want to keep within easy reach. If having a bathroom is a must-have on your list, you're in luck. This 16-foot trailer includes a convenient wet bath. Inside, you'll find a 5-gallon cassette toilet and a custom molded sink fitted neatly behind it. The sink faucet doubles as a shower head, making smart use of the space. Back in the main cabin, the driver's side features a permanent twin bed that also serves as comfortable seating during the day. At the foot of the bed, you'll find the entertainment center, which includes a Bluetooth stereo system and a 24-inch smart TV, perfect for cozy evenings or rainy day movie marathons. Overhead storage cabinets run along the top of the twin bed, and if you opt to add a microwave, it will be installed in place of one of these cabinets. Below the bed is the battery disconnect switch and battery heat switch. A 100 amp-hour lithium battery is located beneath the driver's side bed, along with the Bluetooth Smart Shunt battery monitor. Using the Victron Connect app, you can easily track your battery status and performance right from your smartphone. On the passenger side is a cozy 2-person dinette that converts into a second sleeping area. A handy storage cubby is tucked below the seat, while overhead cabinets offer even more space for your essentials. The rail-mounted table detaches and reattaches at a lower height to form the base of the second twin bed. Just rearrange the cushions and you're all set. At the head of the bed, you'll find thoughtfully designed storage to keep your essentials organized and within reach. The headboard features a full-width shelf along with 2 cabinets and a center shelf. The built-in nightstand is flanked by translucent sliding door cubbies and reading lights on each side, a perfect place to wind down at night. You'll also find 2 conveniently placed USB outlets to keep your devices charged and within reach. The nightstand also houses the power distribution panel with all your breakers and fuses. At the back of the dinette, there's even more storage, perfect for spices or other small items you want easily accessible while cooking. The countertop above serves as extra prep space for meals or a catch-all for your daily gear. Large windows throughout the Tab 360, including 2 signature Stargazer windows, flood the interior with natural light and offer beautiful views of your surroundings. Each window comes equipped with a dual shade and screen system, giving you the flexibility to let fresh air in while keeping bugs out or enjoy complete privacy. Designed as a 3-season camper, the 360 is built for your comfort. The Aldi heating and hot water system delivers quiet, radiant heat, while the Truma air conditioner helps you stay cool on warm days. Both systems are controlled from an Alda panel conveniently located near the entry door. You'll also find the main control panel here, where you can operate your lights, water pump, and monitor tank levels with ease. For added airflow, the camper includes a 3-speed fan and a front screen door, so you can enjoy a breeze without any unwanted pests. Now that we've covered the key features of the 360, let's take a look at the available packages and upgrades. Every nuCamp Teardrop comes standard with our Boondock features, designed to handle rugged terrain and off-grid adventures. This includes a pitched axle, aggressive off-road tires, molded fenders, a durable entry step, and a sturdy grab handle for easy access. In previous years, we offered a classic package as a simplified option for this model. However, starting in 2026, that package is no longer available. If you're looking to extend your off-grid capabilities, consider the Black Canyon upgrade. This package boosts your solar capacity with dual 190-watt solar panels, adds holding tank heaters for cold weather camping, and includes red underglow lights, perfect for providing nighttime visibility without disturbing wildlife or nearby campers. New for 2026, the Black Canyon upgrade now also features an XL diamond plate storage tub. This lockable tub offers significantly more storage space and includes a dedicated propane compartment that remains safely accessible even when the lid is locked. If you're looking to take your power capabilities to the next level, the Battleborn Lithium upgrade is for you. This option includes a 270 amp-hour lithium battery with internal heating and a powerful 3,000-watt multi-plus inverter charger, giving you extended off-grid performance and reliable power when you need it most. Looking to enhance your Teardrop to better suit your camping style? A variety of add-ons are available to help you customize your setup for maximum comfort and convenience. Available add-ons include a microwave, perfect for indoor cooking when the weather isn't cooperating. An additional 100 amp-hour battle-borne lithium battery to boost your power capacity. An XL diamond plate storage tub for expanded outdoor storage, or an aluminum utility platform paired with a standard storage tub. A max air fan to improve airflow and to keep your camper comfortable. Make the 360 uniquely yours with a variety of customization options designed to reflect your personal style. Choose from 3 sidewall colors, white, silver, or charcoal, available at an additional cost, and pair it with your choice of white or silver for the roof. Complete the look with trim and graphic accents in bright white, steel gray, or jet black. When it comes to graphics, you have 2 outdoor-inspired designs to choose from. Elevation, the original mountain graphic introduced in 2025. New for this year is Mountain Pass, a fresh design featuring a winding road leading up a mountain ridge. Want to take your customization even further? Ask your dealer about our custom color options. From sidewalls to graphic accent, the 360 is ready to be tailored to your next big adventure. Buying a new camper is an investment, and protecting it is just as important. That's where the nuCamp Ultimate Protection Plan comes in. Every nuCamp camper includes a 1-year comprehensive tip-to-tail warranty that covers both workmanship and components. By adding the Ultimate Protection Plan, you can extend that same top-tier coverage for up to 7 years. With 0 deductible and a plan fully managed by the nuCamp team, you'll have the confidence to hit the road knowing we've got your back mile after mile. The Tab 360 CS is built with your comfort in mind. Are you ready to start a new adventure? Contact your local nuCamp dealer to see the 360 Clamshell in person or visit nucamprv.com to explore more details.